Hello, esteemed AI folks. I am Viraj Sharma. So, today I'm going to talk about something interesting, exciting, and mind boggling circuit tracing. It's a technology released by Anthropic for explainability. Let me tell you what is explainability. Most of the people who are a bit aware of this technology confuse it with interpretability. But interpretability, explainability are not at all same. Interpretability is basically how did the LLM compute? Basically the architecture of the LLM, study of the architecture of the LLM, like layers, neurons, and the computation and the attention transformer mechanism and all that. Did you all study and do in PyTorch? That is interpretability. But explainability is something different and exciting. Explainability is basically how did the model exactly process instead of the general principles and general architectures. Before that model was a complete black box. We didn't know the exact process. We just knew general architectures. We knew that model does multi-layered attention mechanism, but we did not know that what exactly the tensor what tensor exactly did it pass through the multi-layered attention mechanism. That is explainability. And circuit tracing technology helps a lot in that, which is released by Anthropic. Now let me tell you why does explainability matter. Bias detection and fairness. We need the ability to detect the bias in the LLM. That is it biased for religion, caste, sex, creed, etc. So that and make sure that the LLM is not biased with any of these things. Second is AGI. So we need to make sure that the LLM aligns with the human values. Third thing, regularity and ethical compliance. This basically means that we need to make sure that LLM follows all the basic laws. Trust and transparency, which basically means that the user trusts that the LLM will give the predictable result. Now for or doing all this, we need to understand this. This is from the movie called Matrix, in which the Matrix code runs. No one understands the process of the Matrix code, only one guy. So the same thing we have to do with, so same thing explainability does. It reveals the black box of the understanding of the process, what process is going through, what processes are going. In this thing, explainability helps a lot. Now these are the traditional classic techniques. I'm not going in them. I'm going to the 14th slide. No, sorry, 13th slide. So here I'm basically going to show you the collab demo of my circuit tracing thing, circuit tracer module. So here I'm setting up the collab environment. Here I'm and in this side the second box I'm doing the imports, and here I'm setting the configuration and the arguments. Here I'm setting the configuration, and here I'm basically doing the model hook with the replacement model, and here I'm creating the attribution graph. Let me explain you the meaning of these terms. So model hook is basically getting all the hooking with the model, getting all the layer logits and activations. And here I'm doing the configuration where I'm setting up the prompt, which is two hop prompt, where we are doing two hop reasoning. So basically LLM will need to follow two steps in it. The capital of the state containing Dallas is. So basically here we need to know first the state where Dallas is, and second its capital. And then we have to create graph here. We have to and then we have to save this, and then we have to create the graph file here. and then we have to save the file here, and here we are rendering the graph. Now let me run this code. So remember that circuit tracer requires different numpy version, but Colab has different numpy version. So after doing all the installations, we have to click here and do the restart sessions. So first let it install. See, it has installed. Now let me restart the session. So see, it has restart. So it's restarting the session. Let me wait a bit. See, it has restarted. Now I have to run the import. Now see, it's taking. So now see, it will take a little bit of time. So this will do the hook and the load the model. So this will take a long time. So I'll pause the video for a bit, and then after running, I'll pause the video for a bit and then restart the video and then continue the video. Let me run it. It will take a long time. Let me pause the video. So see, here I've run all the basically boxes which creates all the boxes, the the model loading and hooking one, the configuration one, the attribution graph creating one. Let me tell you what is attribution graph. It is basically this graph which has all the nodes, features and activation. Let me tell you these words. What are they? So basically these are nodes which basically shows that what did the LLM think, and these are the lines in which you click on any node or thought, and it shows that how much did it influence to other thoughts or tokens. In the bottom one, these are the tokens which the LLM got. See, the capital of state containing Dallas is, and this token is getting influenced by this thought by this 9. See, the and this thought is getting influenced by this thought by this gray line. And see, all the lines are all the lines thickness shows that how much did it influence the thought which I've clicked on. And node, basically node. And the thought is basically the feature that what did it think. This thought has influenced these many nodes. See, like this, I can change. I can may not change, but basically I can click on any thought and get its influence to other thoughts and the tokens of the LLM. So attribution graph is the main and this graph is actually very difficult to understand. See, I can't understand this graph very well, very exactly that how did the LLM process through. So I was trying to convert the activate. So I was trying to get all the features in English, but I could not do it. So I'm good. So I will. So I'm basically trying to do that, and I'm doing my efforts in researching in this explainability thing and AI safety. So that was about circuit tracer and explainability. So hope you all find useful. Thank you.